Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share a Google Drive link on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Drive app on your device. Once you're in, you'll need to locate the specific file you want to share on Viber. This could be a document, photo, video, or any other file you've stored in your drive. Take a moment to browse through your folders and find the exact file you're looking for. When you've found the file, go ahead and tap on it to select it. This will bring up additional options for managing that particular file. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots to open the file's menu options, which gives you access to various actions you can take with this file. From the menu that appears, tap on the Share option. This is the key step that allows you to control who can access your file and how they can interact with it. Sharing through Google Drive gives you flexibility in managing permissions and accessibility. Once you're in the sharing settings, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap on the globe icon. This icon represents your link sharing settings and determines who can view or access your file. It's an important security feature that lets you control the visibility of your content. Now you'll see a section called General Access. Make sure this is set to anyone with the link. This setting is crucial because it means that anyone who receives the link you're about to copy will be able to access the file without needing special permissions or a Google account. It's the easiest way to share files with people outside your immediate contacts. With your sharing settings configured, look to the upper right corner and tap the Copy Link icon. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. The link is now stored temporarily on your device. Now it's time to switch over to your Viber app. Once you're in Viber, tap on the conversation where you want to send the Google Drive link. This could be an individual chat or a group conversation depending on who you want to share the file with. At the bottom of the conversation screen, you'll see a text field where you normally type your messages. Tap and hold on that text field until a menu appears. From the options that pop up, tap Paste. This will insert the Google Drive link you copied earlier directly into the message field. Finally, tap the Send icon to deliver the message containing your Google Drive link to the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Google Drive file through Viber, and anyone in that conversation can now access it by clicking the link. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.